All right, everybody, we have a bikers video. We are going to be talking about quite a few people here. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first one we have is Rick Spicy. Let's see what it is. Okay, so Rick Spicy says, uncommon thing in a common situation. Got some notes here from Nathan. Great job not panicking and finding the escape path. All right, let's go and take a quick look at this. So Rick Spicy, uncommon thing. What's happening here? Oh! All right, going around a blind corner. You know, line of sight issue. Yeah, line of sight issue. Handled it really well. Orange stage to red stage. Swerved into the escape path. Okay, so we got to make sure we have an escape path wherever we're going. We have lane position 1, 2, and 3, or left, center, right, however you want to say it. So left, center, and right behind there. So he's over here. Let's go ahead and just actually move it up a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go ahead and delete that. Let's do left, center, right. So he's right now in the center. So we have an uncommon thing, another car coming around a corner. No buenos in our lane. Okay, so what he's going to do is just adapt over to the right. It's going to be a swerve. It's going to be a red stage maneuver. Okay, we want to make sure we're able to actually do that. You know, if you don't know what red stage and everything is, we talk about the color code stages in the MTC Rider Academy. Only $4.99 for the first month. It helps support the channel. We're getting demonetized and age restricted here because we like to actually do some training. But all he did was move over, found an escape path. But the biggest thing that really is going to scare a lot of people, and they're going to possibly go into brown stage where they just panic and smash those brakes, is because of the line of sight issue. Okay, going around a corner, not seeing what's around there, and all of a sudden, boom, something comes out at you. Pretty freaky, pretty scary. But he handled it really well. It says right here, Nathan says that it's a pretty smart rider. Pretty smart rider. Seeks and recognizes hazardous situations. He saw it right here, did a nice little swerve, got himself out of there. He could have panicked and swerved left and hit the car, but he didn't. Very good job, Rick Spicy. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next one. All right, we got Gene 6 bike. We have a side of the vehicle, orange stage, and this is going to be an intersection. What do you guys think we should be doing at intersections? Go ahead and write in the comments. Let's go and take a quick look. There's the side of the vehicle. Ooh. How did we fall down, everybody? How did we fall down? Okay. All right, reckless driver. Okay. They were supposed to stop. I love the 360 going in and out. That's really good. So what we have here is great progressive braking until the space cushion was depleted. Okay. You must find an alternate emergency maneuver. Orange to red stage, brake, then swerve if needed. Got some good notes here from Nathan. Nathan's our other instructor, which is writing out the newsletter every Monday. So if you are an MTC Rider Academy member, you're going to be seeing a newsletter every Monday. So Gene 6 bike. Okay, so we're coming up to an intersection, everybody. Okay, we're coming up to an intersection. We should be in orange stage. Intersections, corners, automatically dangerous. Going to give you that gut feeling of, something's not right. So what you want to do is cover those brakes, look for escape paths. You want to make sure that you actually have an escape path. Okay, how do you find those escape paths? Is that you're constantly in a good position. You're trying to move yourself in a good position, but locating hazards. Okay, that's part of planning. We talk about the plan method, but you need to locate hazards. One of the biggest hazards that we see at intersections that cause issues is going to be left turners or this kind of person, which is just going to cross your path of travel. Either way, you're going to possibly crash into the side of them. You don't want to be doing that. So those are going to be the biggest issues. But when you see somebody like this, is that side of the vehicle. Okay, we like to recognize patterns. Humans are really good at recognizing patterns. So let's use that ability that humans have. Okay, use that peripheral vision, focus in once you see it, understand it. You have a good total stopping distance from here to there. He's going to try to do his best, but it doesn't work. Okay, so where's the total stopping distance? There we go. Total stopping distance. It's not going to work. So what you need to do is slow it down as best you can. You're not going to be able to stop in time. Then you got to find that escape path and then swerve. So let's see what I'm talking about here. So we're braking. Okay, we already panicked. We lost traction because we smashed those brakes. We need to do good progressive brake pressure. Nice, easy progression. So at this point, you know, we should be slowing down, and then they're going to keep going a little bit. We can either swerve left or swerve right. We need to do something else or make sure our braking is actually good. So let's say he decided to slow down and then swerve left. Look, we could have swerved left. Okay, as is an after-action review, we're going to learn from mistakes. We're going to learn from a bad situation like this. We're not here to make fun of. We're here to learn. So sorry to hear that, Gene 6 bike. Thankfully, you have that person recorded because they took off.